Hi everyone, welcome to my A-level biology lecture series. In this lesson, we will explore single gene genetic disorders in humans. Let's get started. A single gene disorder is a genetic condition caused by a mutation in one gene. So these disorders may be inherited in different patterns, including autosomal dominant, where one allele or dominant allele manage to cause the disease. Autosomal recessive disorder, where the patients or the individual must inherit two copies of the recessive allele in order to get the disorder or the disease, and as well as X-linked inheritance, where the disease is due to the recessive allele or dominant allele that present on the X chromosome. More than 4,000 human diseases are known to result from single gene defects. The common example include sickle cell anemia, where mutation take place onto beta globin gene or HBG gene, produces abnormal hemoglobin, or more precisely abnormal beta globin, causing red blood cell to become sickle shape. Oculocutaneous albinism, OCA, there are various genes that's been affected by the mutation. However, in our syllabus, we focus on TYR or tyrosine gene, and this causes defective melanin synthesis, causing little or no pigmentation in skin, hair, and eyes. The next disease is hemophilia, where it can be, or mutation can be done or can occur on factor 8 or factor 9 genes. Defective clotting factor 8 or factor 9 leading to impaired blood clotting. The next disease is Huntington disease, which the mutation takes place on the HTT gene, or commonly known as Huntington gene. Due to the CAG trinucleotide repeat expansion, causing progressive neurodegeneration. The fifth disease, which is cystic fibrosis, CFTR gene is mutated, which results in the defective chloride ion transport, leading to thick mucus in lung as well as the digestive tract. The last disease that we're going to explore is phenylketonuria or PKU, where PAH, phenylalanine hydroxylase gene, is mutated. And because of the mutation, so the individual has the inability to metabolize phenylalanine, leading to the toxic buildup in the body. In the next few lessons, we are going to explore each individual diseases or genetic disorder so that we will be able to understand in terms of their symptom as well as their genetic basis. And with that, we have come to the end of this lesson. Hope you found it helpful and easy to follow. If you have any question, feel free to drop them in the comment section. See you in the next lesson. Have a great day.